Hello everyone, I welcome you all in my channel Python with Priyanka. Here today I came with new topic that is copy functions, and we will see how copy function will work with list. Alright, so first of all we will import this copy. After that I'm passing simple list, that is integer list, or you can say numeric values in list. We are storing it in list1 variable. After that I'm simply saying list2 is equals to, I'm assigning it list1 dot copy. So here what I am doing, I am saying that copy all the elements from this list1 and store it in list2. So it will copy all the elements with structure and then gives us the list 2. All right, and what we are doing for making difference between these both, we will extend this list 1 with range from 10 to 15, and let's check it out. So see, here we printed list 1 and after that we printed list 2. So list 2 is as it is whichever we have passed first time to list 1 variable. So here this copy function given us as it is list. All right, after that we have means extended our first list with range that is from 10 to 15, so it will give us value from 10 to 14. As we already aware about it, it will exclude last digit. Every time you have to keep in mind whenever you are executing with range, it will means exclude last integer value of that particular range. All right, so this is basically copy. Now we will see what is shallow copy and deep copy. All right, so I have passed over here list in between, means list in list. See here, you are able to see this highlighted part. I have passed this 60, 70, 80 in one list, and I have stored that list in this prior list, and which is assigned to list 1. After that I am simply saying list 2 equals to list 1 dot copy. So just like this normal, and this is nothing but shallow copy, right? Then after, what we are doing again for differentiating over here, we use this range function and we try to differentiate in between these both result. Likewise here what we are doing, we are replacing fifth index of a list 1. So see 0 1 2 3 4 5. So fifth index is having a list, so that index means which index of that second list you want to replace, right? So I'm saying here fifth index of second element, so this 80 I want to replace with 10. So let's check it out what output it will give us. So see, we have replaced this 80 with 10, and this is what we stored in list 1. After that we printed it and we have tried to copy that list in list 2. So in shallow copy you have to keep in mind whenever you are changing something in your list, that will also affect in your second list. Means after changing any element in particular list, and after that you are performing shallow copy, this function will return us the output which is new, right? I will say over here, or which is replaced. Means over here we replaced 80 with 10. Likewise it is giving us this replaced value for this list 1 also and list 2 also. So it won't give us this 80, but in deep copy it will give us 80 for the prior list, sorry, not for the prior list, for the this list 2, because we are saying over here copy dot deep copy of list 1. So it will deeply copy that list and it will gives us the original list of a list 1 variable. and it will store in our list variable that list whichever is original, or I can say first time written list. All right, and then list one is over here. This first list one we changed index of this fifth and second of that fifth we replace with 10, then it will give us that resultant. See, in list 1 it have changed, but in list 2 it won't. So likewise, you can able to see that deep copy will always gives us original list as a result, but in shallow copy, if you are doing any changes in list, it will gives us resultant as a changed list, right? Hope you understood my concern, and this is what about copy function of a Python, and we tried it with list. So hope you enjoyed, and keep learning, keep upgrading. Till the time, bye bye, see you soon in next video. Bye.